In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best handheld multimeters available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the handheld multimeters list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the handheld multimeters mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, ANENG 681 Smart Multimeter. The ANENG 681/682/683 digital multimeter offers 6,000 count precision for voltage, current, resistance, and continuity testing. Its 5-inch LCD with backlight ensures easy reading even in dim light. Designed with smart anti-burn protection and a built-in rechargeable battery, it's safe and eco-friendly. The integrated NCV function detects live wires instantly, while the flashlight adds convenience for electricians and DIY users working in dark environments. Number 4, ZOYI ZT300AB Smart Multimeter. The ZT300AB digital multimeter combines 6,000 count accuracy with smart auto and manual ranging modes. It measures AC, DC voltage, current, resistance, and continuity with fast response and clear results. Its ergonomic design and bright LCD make it easy to use in any workspace. Ideal for home, automotive, or industrial use, the ZT300AB ensures reliable performance, while intelligent protection guards against overload and short circuits for long-lasting safety. Number 3, ALIENTEK DM43-in-1 Multimeter. The ALIENTEK DM40 combines a digital multimeter, signal generator, and oscilloscope in one compact device. With a 50 ohm sample rate and AC, DC voltage, diode, and continuity testing, it's ideal for electronics repair and lab use. Its bright LCD display and intuitive interface make measurements easy to read. Durable and precise, the DM40 is a professional-grade tool designed for engineers and advanced hobbyists seeking multifunctional testing performance. Number 2, BSIDE S40 True RMS Multimeter. The BSIDE S40 Smart Multimeter delivers 20,000 count accuracy for precise AC, DC voltage, resistance, and current measurements. It features a vivid mini-color LCD, rechargeable battery, and true RMS technology for accurate readings on complex signals. Compact yet powerful, it supports NCV detection, data hold, and flashlight functions. Perfect for electricians and DIY enthusiasts, the S40 ensures reliability, portability, and smart diagnostics in one sleek handheld tool. Number 1, MASTFUYI Digital Handheld Meter. The MASTFUYI digital multimeter offers precise AC, DC voltage, current, and resistance measurement in a compact handheld design. Featuring a clear LCD screen and responsive probe combination, it ensures accurate readings for both professionals and beginners. Its rugged build, stable performance, and efficient power use make it ideal for home, automotive, and industrial applications. A dependable choice for users who value portability, accuracy, and simplicity in one device.